like this. We punch. Yeah, food like this. The character.
Good. Come on, bro. Yeah.
My mom is coming here early in the morning to buy the chickens. Yeah, I thought you said.
Do you find something that you want to buy here?
Yeah, we need to find leggings.
Leggings,
For the
okay.
hike.
I got.
Hello. Here we can maybe sit somewhere, or if you want to continue, we can go straight away to the old town. And that's going to be walking for 10.
Okay, now we are in Kota Tua.
Kota
Kota
Tua.
Tua is Old Town in Jakarta.
Old Town?
Yeah, Old Town in Jakarta. So we can see and sightseeing and learn about the history about the Old Town in Jakarta, because you know this place it was colonized by Netherlands.
By the
Netherlands.
by the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it was colonized by Netherlands for like 250 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
Just Jakarta.
most often that a lot of Indonesia has colonized, but now in Jakarta especially we have a lot of history and the building similar with Netherlands building, right?
Yeah.
The European
Wow.
style. Okay. Let's go.
Wow.
Yes.
Crazy.
Looks like you're,
Looks like you're.
you are in the Dutch area.
In the Dutch
Yeah, he
area.
was saying that it was colonized by the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Why? Wow.
You're not in Jakarta.
Left and left.
Exactly. So we go to. What is it? It's cooler here. Maybe it's quieter than the Chinatown. I know it's overwhelmed. You see many people there because of. So this is what I want to show you. This is the landscape in Jakarta. Is how the ground really sinks. And I mentioned before about life will be the inauguration about the capital city, the new one in Kalimantan will be there. So not anymore here. So you see the blue marks. These are the blue marks which means the ground surface of Jakarta in different areas. It was in 1974.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy, relax. Where are you from? Belgium. Brussels as the capital city.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, I know. It's very famous player football. Yeah.
Lukaku.
Only metal too. Pencil and metal too, like this. We punch. Yeah.
It's very interesting.
Football cups, detail, and goal like that.
How is it?
And then so like this, for example, you can see like this. The character Kumbakarna in the story
You can see the camera.
Ramayana, brother of Ravana. It's beautiful, yeah.
Hello.
Very, very detailed. Yeah.
Wow. Do you like it? Do you want something else to bring? To bring at home maybe?
Yeah.
Also, don't worry, like this, and then I give you free stand to standing, like this.
Okay.
Kalau yang XL-nya?
Excel yang mana? Oh, like this.
Do you feel?
Aku malu.
Aku malu. Okay. So how do you feel to come to this place?
It's so interesting, peaceful.
Yeah, peaceful.
Yeah.
It's authentic.
Very
Right.
rare. Very rare.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are you guys tired or how did you smell it? So they are ginger, turmeric. There is also the tamarind.
What is that? Jahe. Oh, it's ginger. It's big.
It smells like
Big jahe.
And we drink it for the cholesterol.
How is it?
It depends what.
It's like turmeric.
Well, no, it's
This one is
Yeah.
How How is it? What is that?
It smells like mushrooms.
Oh,
I thought my phone was falling. Sorry. It smells like mushroom.
Oh yeah, it's ginger.
Is it ginger?
Ginger.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, jahe is ginger. Jahe is ginger.
Oh. It smells much nicer.
How does it smell?
It smells much nicer when it's grounded compared to like this. Yeah, that's quite like, pungent. Yeah, where this is.
Pungent. Good word.
Well, the ones where we can get them at home, they're about that big. And like it's like a monkey nut. You roll it up and then you just eat it and it's sour. So
Is that what the guy standing at the restaurant is doing? I know the guy who just comes sort of sitting beside you.
yeah, what? It's like your Kindle. Okay. Go back.
Original
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
turmeric and tamarind.
Click more. Thank you. Press say thank you. Sometimes you have to press it a couple of times before it just
Is it? See the camera.
Oh,
Ooh.
it's like a hot ginger shot.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Spicy?
Yeah.
But not spicy,
Not
but
spicy, like hot,
yeah,
warm,
like
and
warm.
on the
Like
mouth.
if I had the flu, this would cure me.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
It's good. Said that jamu is good for the herbal. It's herbal medicine. It's good for cold. So that's why a lot of Indonesian people using a jamu for like easy to get more cold and more energy. How is it? No,
Very good.
very good.
Healthy.
Healthy. So sekarang kita sudah menuju ke Istiqlal dan gue lagi membawa teman-teman ke Masjid Istiqlal. Cuma saya sudah ditutup ya untuk tujuan ke dalam
Jam 4
jam 4 terakhir.
untuk masuk untuk turis bukan untuk kita.
Ya.
Kalau kita
Kita mah kapan aja sih, tapi especially untuk foreigner who comes to Indonesia that want to come to Masjidil Haram, to Masjid Istiqlal. They should come before at 4 p.m. And yeah, you can go inside and then see about the beautiful of Masjid Istiqlal. Dan ini dia perasaan teman-teman, gimana rasanya? How is it?
Massive? Yeah,
Massive.
really big.
Really
Yeah.
big.
Yeah, biggest mosque I've visited so far.
Yeah, let's go.
Sir,
How is it? This is your first time?
awesome man.
Awesome.
First time ever.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh my god. Yeah.
first time ever at the big mosque.
Yeah. And this is the biggest number 3 in the world and
On the world?
on the world. And also one of the biggest
There it is.
in the Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Yeah.
but also about we need to say for the religion. We need to mention the religion in our ID card. So maybe you don't have that. We never can mention about the atheism because it's not really common here. It's very sensitive. So you have to say, okay, if you see my ID card, I have the Muslim. He has you have heard the calling prayer in the mosque. That's 5 times in a day.
Yeah.
So the first one is that
The trip is done.
it's done. Finally,
Finally
tired.
tired. The trip is done.
Finish.
Finish. Time to rest. Thank you so much for your time yang udah nonton video ini. It was very happy for today. Semoga kalian terhibur dengan video yang gue sajikan. And sampai jumpa di video gue selanjutnya. Bye bye.